Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So today I'm just going to be starting off with my CoverGirl concealer in the color 715 medium, and I'm just going to be covering all of my imperfections with that. And then I'll be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and it's in the color 102. And then I'm just going to blend that out all over my face. And then I will be going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'll just be going underneath my eyes with that and a little on top as well. And then I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and blend that out. And then I'll just be going in with my Urban Decay Press Powder in the color Light, and I'll be applying that all over my face. And then I'm just going to go in with my Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes. And then as we're letting that bake, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Cocoa Contour, and I'm just going to take both colors, and then I'm just going to contour my cheekbones. And then we're just going to do the tops of the forehead as well. And then we're just going to go down the jawline and then down the neck as well. And then I'm just going to go in with a thinner, fluffy brush, and I'm just going to contour down the edges of my nose and then kind of create a circle at the tip of my nose to give a button nose look. And then I'm just going to go back in with that translucent powder, and then I'm going to highlight in the areas that I want highlighted. And then I'm going to take my Naked Urban Decay Smoky Eye Palette, and then I'm going to take the dark brown color, Whiskey, and I'm going to use that to fill in my eyebrows since I'm out of my eyebrow pencil. And for me, I don't really do anything special, I just kind of follow my natural brow shape. And then I'm going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia eyeshadow kit, and I'm going to take the color Pink Champagne and place that all over my eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with the same palette, and I'm going to use the color Legend to go in my inner corners. Back to my Naked Smoky Eye palette, and we're going to take the same color Whiskey and put that on the outer corners and work it into the crease. And then I'm going to take the color Compust, and I'm going to put that at the top of my eyelids. And then I'm going back in with Pink Champagne, and we're going to put that on the lower lash line. Going back in with Legend, and we're going to put that in the inner corners of the lower lash line. And then we're going back in with my Total Temptation, and we are going to put that on our eyelashes. And we are using the Duo Lash Adhesive, and we're just going to pop on our eyelashes. The specific ones that I have are the Kiss brand, and I believe they are the 11. I think that's all the information I have on them. And I did just film a video on how to apply false lashes, so I will link that down below. And then I'm going to take and blend out the translucent powder that we baked with because we are all done baking. And then we're going to blush it up a bit with my Pixie by Petra, and I got this in my Ipsy bag, which I will link the video down below of the unboxing. And then I have my Anastasia Glow Kit, and then I'm just going to use the color Summer, and I'm going to put that at the tops of my cheekbones, and then down the bridge of my nose, and then the tip of my nose, and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And then for the lips, we're going to go in with our Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in Rogue. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.